how and when did you start to monetize the app, and what were the main logics?
Yeah, so we started in 2016, which means it's many years in. But the thing we could always say is like the how to monetize this is pretty obvious. Like you drink a bottle of wine, now you can buy it too. That's amazing. And all the everyone, and including ourselves, we really bought into that. And it went really well. I think like 2018, we could say, okay, this is working. And then 2020, we really sort of, when COVID started, we really grew incredibly fast, over 100% growth in sales and so on. So
Wow.
that was just wild. Yeah, so that's been quite a journey. But we also landed after COVID. We can get back into that at some point.
Yeah, and how does the buying through the app works? So what is the exact process?
Sure. Yeah. So we integrate with these partners that can ship to people
Yeah.
throughout the world. In Europe, it actually is more and more cross border. Meaning, in France, you will not only see French merchants, you will see others too, and we ship from other markets too. US, it's US to US. So far, it's a little bit too complicated, but we have like 600-700 merchants on, and they're integrated into the app. And then it says, okay, this particular wine you're looking at, can it ship to wherever you are? If yes, we'll show a buy button, and then you can buy it, and everything goes through, and they ship the wine to you. And then we charge them something for that.
Okay, I see. Yeah, that makes sense, and it is a great way to do it. And you also do ads, right?
Yes. So that started actually not too long ago. So we've had these sponsorships of wineries for a long time, which means the wineries can sort of position themselves a little bit better inside the app. So
Mhm.
when you scan a wine, they'll get a video, they can tell a story about it. So for the user, it becomes a richer experience. And for the
Yeah.
winery, they get to position that. So that's a paid product we have. And now recently we also launched advertising when we launched the paid version of the app too.
That's interesting. I didn't know that you also had partnership with these wineries. And how did that work? Did you reach out to specific wineries that you thought that maybe would be interested in it, or what, there was a platform or a way for them to connect
Yeah,
with
it's
you,
it's
contact
a
with you?
it's a little bit of both, but mostly we reach out to them and say, "Hey, we have this product. We can see how much activity there is. A part of this product is also getting some data. So we will never sell data on our users, but we can tell you, look, how many people are drinking it in Florida and how many people are drinking in this city and so on. So
Mm.
people love that data too.
Exactly. I can imagine that for wineries, it must be very valuable. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.